In this tutorial, we'll review the configuration of the parameter table used in the data modeler. These parameters define default values for entity creation and real-time execution, and include functions useful for debugging or troubleshooting. The first step is click on Execution while in the main screen of the data modeler. Next, click on Parameter Table. Here, you'll see the available parameters, which you can customize based on your needs. Let's briefly review each parameter and its purpose. Debugged enables the debugging function in SAP for the data modeler. Activate it by entering an X in its field value. JSON to log. When activated, this parameter records all generated JSONs in SAP logs, which you can review using transaction SLG1. Activate it by entering an X in its field value. RFC destination. This is the default endpoint where the information will be sent in real time. The endpoint must exist in SM59, and we must ensure it has the same name and a proper communication setup with the target system. Set try off. Disables try catch, handling in the data modeler code, displaying specific dumps or detailed information. Useful for debugging. Activate it by entering an X in its field value. SysID. Used to identify and include the system ID information along with the data sent from an entity. Activate it by entering an X in its field value. System open. Indicates whether the solution is open for users to create, modify, or delete entities. If left blank, the system is closed, and users can only execute existing entities. Activate it by entering an X in its field value. Tag 2 and Tag 3. Pre-filled values that appear in each entity. These tags help identify the SAP version and the client number used to send information from the entity. Transmission medium. Defines the method for sending information from SAP. Options are table mode, t.kdocs mode, k, both table and kdoc mode, b. Use alias. This parameter defines whether table and column aliases are sent. If marked with an X, the values will be sent with their aliases. Otherwise, the technical names of tables and columns will be sent. To modify parameter values, ensure that the table is in edit mode and then configure the new values. Once you've completed your configuration, click Save to apply and store the changes. Select the request where the configuration will be saved, then click Continue. After the saving process is complete, a confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the screen indicating that it was successful.